Hello guys, this is Indian Medico, and in this video we are going to see about causes of impotence in male. Impotence is defined as inability of a person to perform sexual intercourse. Sterility is defined as inability to beget children. Now let us see about the causes of impotence in male. The major cause of impotence in males is organic cause. These include vasculogenic impotence. This can lead to erectile dysfunction in around 40% cases of impotence. It is due to poor arterial inflow into penis or excessive leakage of blood from penis. Other causes of impotence include diabetes mellitus in 20% of cases, psychogenic causes in 12% of cases, neurogenic causes in 7% of cases, malignancy, testosterone deficiency, and trauma. Now let us see about the causes of impotence in detail. Age plays a role in potency. The power of erection is acquired earlier than puberty. However, the sperms are not found before puberty. Poor physical development of sex organs is a common cause of impotence. In advanced stage, the ability to perform coitus may diminish. In precocious puberty, which occurs due to gonadal or adrenal tumors, the sex organs are developed at an early age. Now let us see about the defects of development and acquired abnormalities. The following can lead to impotence: absence or non-development of penis, double penis and penis adherent to scrotum. There can be impotence if testes are removed before puberty. However, if testes are removed after puberty, potency is retained. Cryptorchidism will lead to sterility. Now let us see about local diseases. Acute disease of penis like gonorrhea and sores on glands can lead to temporary impotence. Diseases of testicles, epididymis, or penis like cancer, sarcoma, syphilis, and trauma can lead to sterility or impotency. Exposure to X-rays can lead to temporary sterility. General diseases can also lead to impotence. Acute illness, general diseases causing debility can lead to temporary impotence. Other causes of impotence include endocrine diseases, hemiplegia, paraplegia, disseminated sclerosis, fracture vertebrae with cord injury, tumors or injury of cauda equina and spina bifida. Occupational exposure to lead and orchitis can lead to sterility. Drugs can also lead to impotency. Excessive and continued use of some drugs like alcohol, opium, cannabis, tobacco, and cocaine can lead to impotency. Now let us see about the psychic causes of impotency. Emotional disturbances, fear of impotence, or fear of inability to complete act can lead to temporary impotence. Disgust of sexual act or dislike of partner can also cause impotence. Quad is an important person with a particular woman but not with others. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. For more such videos, please check out my playlists. If you like my videos, kindly subscribe. Your subscription will encourage me to make more videos. Thank you.